Solving Speedy Mysteries, Distance, Time, and Speed Word Problems. Hello everyone! In today's lesson, we are going to dive into the world of distance, time, and speed word problems. These problems can sometimes be tricky, but with the right approach and understanding, you'll be solving them like a pro. Ready to hit the road? Let's get started. The most important concept to understand when dealing with distance, time, and speed problems is the fundamental relationship between these three variables. It can be expressed with this simple formula. Distance equals speed times time. Text BF. Distance equals speed times time. Distance equals speed times time. Distance is how far something travels. Speed is how fast something is moving. Time is the duration for which something has been moving. It's crucial to memorize this formula, as it forms the foundation for solving a wide range of problems. Now, how do we use the formula in word problems? It's all about translating the words into mathematical expressions. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Identify the unknown. In a word problem, determine what you're trying to find. Is it distance, speed, or time? 2. Extract information. Carefully read the problem to gather all the data provided about speed, distance, and time. 3. Write the equation. Using the basic formula, craft an equation that represents the problem. Example: John drove for 3 hours at a speed of 60 miles per hour. How far did he travel? From the problem, we can determine speed equals 60 miles per hour. Time equals 3 hours. Distance equals? Using our formula, the equation becomes distance equals 60 times 3, text BF, distance equals 60 times 3, distance equals 60 times 3. Distance equals 180 miles, text BF, distance equals 180 miles. Distance equals 180 miles. Sometimes, word problems might present scenarios where two or more objects are moving. In such cases, 1. Set up individual equations. For each object, create an equation based on the distance equals speed times time formula. 2. Combine the equations. If the problem requires, you might have to sum up the distances or equate them based on the given information. Example: Jane drove for 2 hours at 50 miles per hour, while Bob drove for 3 hours at 60 miles per hour. Who traveled farther? Jane's distance equals 50 times 2 equals 100 miles. Bob's distance equals 60 times 3 equals 180 miles. From our calculations, Bob traveled farther. And there you have it. The world of distance, time, and speed word problems isn't so daunting after all. Remember to always start with our foundational formula: distance equals speed times time, and practice regularly. Keep solving, and in no time, you'll be zooming through these problems. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this lesson has set you on the fast track to success. Safe travels!